Linking your bank account to Albert is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Download the Albert app. Start by downloading the Albert app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. After logging in, look for the option to link your bank account. This is usually found in the Settings or Account Management section of the app. Step 3. Select your bank. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank credentials. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials, such as your username and password. Make sure to enter this information accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your credentials, follow any additional prompts to verify your identity. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation that your bank account is successfully linked to Albert. Now you can enjoy the benefits of managing your finances through the Albert app. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section or contact customer support for assistance.